Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete files from Google Drive, whether you need to clean up space or remove unwanted documents. This quick tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to access Google Drive, and to do so, first open your web browser and then go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in into the correct Google account. Now, locate the file you want to delete in your drive. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Now, once you found the file, simply right-click on it and select Remove from the drop-down menu. The file is now moved to your trash. To permanently delete the file, click on Trash on the left-hand side. Then right-click the file again and select Delete Forever. Be careful, once it's deleted, you can't recover it. If you're deleting files to free up space, you can check how much storage you freed up by clicking the storage bar at the bottom left corner, just like this. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a file from Google Drive. Keep in mind that files in your trash don't take up storage space unless you empty them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Drive tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.